The top 5 ways to get rich before 30. While there's no guaranteed path to wealth, here are some strategies that can significantly increase your chances of financial success before 30. Invest in yourself. Education and skills. Pursue higher education or certifications in high-demand fields. Continuous learning can lead to better job opportunities and higher earning potential. Networking. Build strong relationships with professionals in your industry. Networking can open doors to new opportunities and valuable mentorship. Start a business. Identify a gap, look for unmet needs in the market, and develop innovative solutions. Leverage technology, utilize online platforms and digital tools to reach a wider audience and reduce overhead costs. Embrace risk. Entrepreneurship involves risk, but calculated risks can lead to substantial rewards. Invest wisely. Diversify. Spread your investments across various asset classes to minimize risk. Long-term perspective. Focus on long-term growth rather than short-term gains. Consult a financial advisor. Seek professional advice to create a personalized investment strategy. Live below your means. Budgeting. Create a detailed budget to track your income and expenses. Minimize debt. Prioritize paying off high-interest debt. Save consistently. Automate savings to make it a habit. Develop multiple income streams, side hustles, explore part-time jobs, freelancing, or starting a small business. Rental income. Consider investing in real estate for passive income. Online ventures. Create digital products or services to generate income online. Remember, building wealth takes time and effort. Consistency, discipline, and a long-term mindset are key. Start early, stay focused, and don't be afraid to take calculated risks.